Configuring the Whoop charging cable is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail. To begin, ensure you have the Whoop charging cable and the device you want to charge. The Whoop charging cable is designed to work seamlessly with the Whoop fitness tracker, providing a convenient and efficient way to recharge the device. First, locate the charging port on your Whoop fitness tracker. The charging port is usually found on the back or side of the device. Next, take the Whoop charging cable and insert the smaller end into the charging port on the fitness tracker. Make sure it is securely connected to ensure proper charging. The other end of the charging cable should be connected to a power source, such as a USB port on a computer or a wall adapter. Ensure the power source is compatible with the Whoop charging cable to avoid any damage to the device. Once connected, the Whoop fitness tracker will begin to charge. To verify that the device is charging, look for the charging indicator on the Whoop fitness tracker. The indicator will typically display a charging symbol or a percentage of battery life. You can also check the Whoop app to monitor the charging progress and receive notifications when the device is fully charged. Best practices for configuring the Whoop charging cable include using the official Whoop charging cable to ensure compatibility and safety. Avoid using damaged or frayed cables, as they can cause damage to the device or pose a risk of electrical shock. Additionally, keep the charging area clean and dry to prevent any damage to the device or the charging cable. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily configure the Whoop charging cable and keep your Whoop fitness tracker charged and ready to use. Regularly charging your device will ensure that you can track your fitness goals and receive important notifications without interruption.